Okay, I've got the Gladiator, putting a Tekin T35 heavy duty in there. I was going to use the Reefs 555, but the casing is too big for this hole. So I'm going to put it in. It doesn't sit correctly. Because of the way that the housing is cut for the original servo. You can see how that sits in there. It's nice and flat. So for now, no high power, but we've got the Hobby Wing 1080 that's going in, and the Savox Dig, potentially 2-speed. Horizon Hobby did FedEx me this because I wrote a customer complaint, I guess you could say, to customer service because mine burnt out on the first run. So this right here is what we're working with. Okay, so it took me a little while, but I was able to get these soldered pretty well. We're gonna get this Tekin installed and see what it looks like. Okay, so I've got the Hobby Wing wired in. Got my Dean's connection soldered up, looking pretty slick. Fly Sky in the Traxxas waterproof receiver box. Just need to get everything all fixed up. Got the Savox waterproof micro servo, which does not fit. So good thing I contacted Horizon Hobbies and they sent a new micro servo for free for the warranty. So still have stock Spectrum steering servo, and I have the Spectrum micro servo somewhere, but it's going to go in either way. Main thing is I'm kind of excited about this guy. That way I can actually program what I want to and how fast and far endpoint adjustments and everything. Pretty slick. Okay, so this is the exact reason why I got this remote. It's because you can be selective on how much your servo moves. Right there you have 80%. Right there you have 25%. It's easy as this. Like a piece of cake. All right, so we have final product. Dean's wired up nicely. I got my stock Spectrum from Horizon Hobbies service department since mine burnt out. I got my dual plug for one slot on the receiver in a Traxxas box. You can read that upside down. And the Hobbywing Crick Run going to the Tegan T35 HD rock crawler motor, brushed, of course.